Morning and welcome to this channel where every day you can hear the scripture read to you in the Jamaican language. I am Christine Gooden Benguche and I'm sharing with you today. If you want to find out anything about me, just check the description box below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? Invite your family members and your friends to listen every morning right here.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
This morning I'm going to read to you from Luke chapter 11, 33 to 36. Here, this is how it goes. Nobody no light lamp and put it which part nobody can see it or cover it with bucket. Lamp put down where people can see the light when them come in. Your eye them are like lamp, and them give your body light. When your eye them good, your whole body full of light. If them bad, your body full of darkness. Make sure the light we in you are the right light. If your whole body full of light and no part of it no dark, it a go light up like when lamp light and a shine upon you. A God word this, thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.